Greetings and welcome. My name is Jake Rayson. I'm a wildlife forest garden designer, and I am doing the Hope. This is a bit about the Hope Garden, and it's on site as well. So in the local village at the local allotment, which is a new allotment, and they've we're looking at getting a grant together and installing a kind of prototype Hope Garden here. So I just wanted to quickly show you the site because I've got it very quickly pegged out. So the entrance is down there to the site. It's this field here. Oh crikey, how many acres is that? 4 acres, 5 acres, something like that. So it's a big old site, and then the allotment has been fenced in. They put polytunnel at the end. It's quite marshy. There's water in as well. It's quite a boggy field, so there's kind of drainage needs sorting out as well. And then there's the hardcore to put in for the track. And this is the main entrance, and then the village is just down that way, and this is the site. So I'm going just roughly, this is roughly marked up, nothing like super accurate. I'm going for 12 meters wide by 50 meters long, and the main entrance will be in here. So you come in this way, and then there's going to be a path running along. There's a path running along the back there. The main entrance to the allotment is in here. So yeah, this is, there's Ron helping me out there, and this is just kind of getting a sense of the size, because I will work on the design and the marking out the community assembly area for the garden. That'll be going in here. So I think it's a 7 meter diameter is a kind of working diameter. But there we go. So that's it, and yep, let's start getting the designing head on and thinking about ideas for it and orientation and the soil type and all the rest of it. But obviously all this needs to be sorted out with the allotment committee as well, so that people are all on board and doing what people want as well, rather than just me doing my own thing. So yeah, not much to show yet, but just it's the beginning, and I love doing this as well, because it's always just, you're working with bamboo and baker's twine, which is a butcher's twine, I think it's called, which is cotton, so it decomposes, and the bamboo decomposes as well. So if you leave any around, it doesn't matter. And these are like super high-tech tools that I'm using. The other thing that I have is over here, and it's the measuring wheel. So not brilliantly well made, but so useful. There's a little dial on there, and then you can measure with it. It's brilliant. It's actually really good for forest garden size stuff. So totally recommend. So thanks for watching. See you again soon. Cheers, bye.